Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Dodge Charger V6 faster. We'll start with foundational steps that are crucial for any performance upgrade. First, consistent maintenance, like oil changes and spark plug checks, keeps your engine running strong. Next, a simple high-flow air filter can offer a small but noticeable improvement in airflow. Finally, always check your tire pressure. Proper inflation is key for both safety and performance, ensuring maximum contact with the road. Moving on, let's focus on how your engine breathes. A cold air intake system is a popular first step, drawing in cooler, denser air which improves combustion efficiency. Following that, a performance catback exhaust system reduces back pressure, allowing exhaust gases to exit more freely. Together, these two upgrades can typically add between 5 and 15 horsepower, giving your V6 a noticeable boost in acceleration and a more aggressive sound. Now, let's talk about unlocking your engine's full potential and improving handling. An engine control unit, or ECU, tune is a powerful modification that recalibrates your car's computer for increased horsepower and torque. Additionally, a larger or ported throttle body can enhance throttle response. For better cornering and stability, upgrading your suspension with stiffer springs or sway bars will significantly improve your Charger's overall driving dynamics, making it feel much more planted. For those seeking substantial power, forced induction, such as a supercharger, can dramatically increase horsepower by over 100. Another effective upgrade is installing lighter wheels, which reduces unsprung weight and improves acceleration and braking. Remember, consistent maintenance, including checking fluid levels and inspecting belts, is vital to ensure your Charger performs optimally and reliably after these enhancements. Enjoy your faster V6.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.